Hello my beautiful friend, today we are going to see how we can extract the raster data to a point, to a line and polygon as well. So the first thing we need to do, we need to understand I have like the for data. This is a demi for which this is a list data. So the demi is contain the elevations value. So and then I just have the buy lot. Of course this is a buy lot. If we just see, yeah, this is a buy lot. And then I just have the sample points. So this is a sample point. So just see, if just right click and then go to attribute on the line, you see the load, just a type of load one way and a bridge. And then if you just like to click on the sample point, you'll see like we have 9, of course we have 10 sample points. And then the plot, we have the two plots, this plot and yeah. So we are just gonna start to extract the elevation data to a point. What do we just need to do? We just come to a processing toolbox, and if you don't find the processing toolbox, you just see, come here or just go to processing and then you find the toolbox. So here, so for now we just search one of a tool known as sample, yeah, sample raster value. So if you just click on the sample raster value, we have the input layer, which is a sample point, and then the list layer is our name, and then the output, that's option. I don't want to save anywhere, so just click run. After that, you will see like we have the new empty layer which is in point. Just like to click and then go to attribute table. You see like we have the IDs and the elevation. So this is our elevations. So if you just want to identify for real, just come to here and then make sure it the select icon, yeah, to make sure that so you see, if you just see click, you see the sample elevation is, yeah. Or if you just go to another point, you'll see this is 619, and of course, yeah, this is 164. Or else you just see right click and then go to properties, and then I just want to name the points and the single name and just sample 1. Yeah, let me do some perform, then click OK. You see like we have the elevation data in each point. So this will help you to understand where the lowest point, the highest point when you are given that task. So that's the first thing. The second thing that we are just gonna do is to convert or to extract the elevation data to a line, so we are just gonna extract the data, I mean elevation data to a line. So this is my load, by load. So for that I'm just gonna use I'm just gonna use profile. So profile, you need to install the Saga. So if not, you just come here to plugin and then manage and install plugins, and then you just have to search Saga, and you find right away. So with that, let's just go back and then search profile. If you search profile, you'll see like we have the profile from the points and the profile from the lines. So I'm just gonna use the profile from lines. So if you click on the profile from the lines, and then the elevation is our name. So that's we extract the elevation values, and the values, I just the line need to be the by lot. Here there's nothing to do. Of course we can select that, and then after that it's an option, you can just keep it, and then the names, it's the field, so you take the names as the field, and then each line has a new profile. I'm not sure that there's an option. Let's just skip and then let's try to run. And then if you close, we'll see like the profile we have like here. So it has just do it on a point, so you right click and then go to attribute table. You will see we have the added values. We have the distance, for which this distance is cumulative, so it's add from 0 from the first point to our last point, so it goes on increasing, as you see. And then we have like the x and y coordinates, so x and y and z coordinates. So our integer value is the z1, so for which is the same as them. Let me just delete this. I told you it was an option, so just see, let me delete it. Yeah, and then let me delete this. Yeah, so we see we have the z value of which is elevations. So with the elevation, we can also plot, and of course you can use the Excel or any. Also with that, you see this is my first point, and of course this is my last point. Yeah, no, this is my first point. The ID line is, the ID point is 1, and then I just see the ID point is 3. Yeah, so for now let me just right click, and then I'm gonna show you uh, how we can plot this data. So just control all and then copy, and then I'm just go to X. Yeah, so just paste the data, and then I'm just gonna use the point ID. Yeah, the point ID. I'm just gonna use the Z, the elevation data, and then the point data. Yeah, the ID point. So let me delete these, and then I just want need this and the Z, and then I hide the all pointy, and then go to insert, and then I just want to be the line, get the sync one. Yeah, let me just use these. I'm gonna use, let me delete this. So yeah, so this is my elevation. So from that load you can see that this is my elevation from the this is 0.2, 0.1, and this is the last one. So you see how the load was. Let's just go back to QGIS, and then we are just gonna select this, and then we just gonna extract the elevation data to our polygons now. So with that, we're going to use another tool. Let me just minimize this, and then we're just gonna use another tool for polygon, is zonostatics. So like here, so just see click on the zono, and then the input layer, it has to be the plots, and then the last layer, it has to be the dam, and then the band, we just skip that way. The output, just leave it. And on the stats to calculate, we can calculate the number of thing. We can count some, or do a mean, median, standard deviation, minimum, maximum, range within our polygon. So what the QGIS what QGIS will do, we just count the number of pixel within this polygon, and then you just count and sum, mean, median, and do other tasks. So for now, for my point, I'm just gonna let me just go right click on the dam, and then I just want to count the number of pixel we have. So on the information, so if you just go down, you see like on the pixel, this is our pixel size 0.00, so it's too small. With that, just go back to our zonal. Yeah, let's just go back to zonal statistic, and then the input layer is our plots, and the last layer is the elevation data. And of course, I'm just, for now, I just select some of them. I just want to select mini, and then I just want to select the minimum and the maximum value. Yeah, and then after that, and then go back here, click learn. So if you click learn, you'll see like the donor status is like here. So just right click and then go to attribute table. You'll see like we have the ID, for which if you just select here, so let me just minimize this. So you will see like we have the ID, and then you will see like the mean. So the mean elevation is this one, the minimum this one, the maximum this one. So if you just click on that, you will see of course the mean is this one, the minimum and the maximum. So that's how we can extract the any raster data to a point, to a line, and a polygon vector data. So that's how we do. Thanks.